Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. It's a wireless microphone. You use it for a live show, vlog, short video, interviews. And this one has a plug for most phones and also a computer. So it's USB-C, Lightning, and 3.5 millimeter. Okay, so here's some information. It says 15 millisecond ultra low latency, long working time, sound and picture synchronization, 360-degree omnidirectional microphone, clear to pick up, tiny and portable, record while charging, and plug and play. So this would be great for like streaming videos or streaming, and yeah, because you can charge your phone while you stream live streams or interviews if you're into that. Let's open it up. Okay, so we can. Oh, here's more stuff. 120 meter reception, widely compatible. Slide it out here. Here's a box of accessories. Okay, so we have in this bag, I think it's a clip and a wooden muffle. We have this bag here with the USB-C cable here. Here is the receiver, or I don't know, transmitter receiver. And then here's another. Oh, so there's an extra clip and plug. You see, I turned it on accidentally, and it's on. You charge it here. You charge it here. Here's our plug, so you can use it for audio, I guess. Maybe. Or you can hear your audio. Underneath, we have the user manual. The transfer interface is what it is. Okay. Just plug it in, and the light should flash quickly, which is what we're doing now. And there's a indicator here. You just turn it on. Screen. Flashing, now it's connected, it's solid. And different ways you can use it. And yeah, that is it. If you're interested in this microphone, wireless microphone, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.